first question, match items in column 1 with those in column 2. Now in column 1, A is peritrichous flagellation. So among column 2, it pairs with Escherichia coli, that is L. Then B, living fossil. And from column 2, it pairs with ginkgo. Then C, that is rhizophore, it's pair with Selaginella, that is C with M. Then D, that is smallest flowering plant, it pairs with Wolffia, that is D with N. And then the largest perennial gland, it pairs with macrocytes, so it's E with K. Now looking towards the option, if we have this correct match, A with L. So among the given option, we have A with L in only option A. So AL, BJ, CM, DN and E pairs with K. So correct answer for this question is option A. Looking towards the next question, Heterosphori and seed habit are often exhibited by a plant possessing. So first of all, Heterosphori meant for the production of two different sizes of spores, that is microspore and megaspore. It is found in Selaginella. In Selaginella, there is a small membranous ligule found at the basal portion of the leaf. So correct answer is option D, that is ligule. So correct answer for this is option D. Looking towards the next question, read the following 5 statements A to E and answer as asked next to them. First, in Equisitium, the female gametophyte is retained on the parent sporophyte. B, in ginkgo, male gametophyte is not independent. C, in sporophyte, the sporophyte in Riccia is more developed than that in Polytrechum. D, sexual reproduction in volvox is isogamous. E, the spores of slime molds lack cell walls. How many of the above statements are correct? So, the equistem, that is pteridophyte, free-living gametophyte, prothallus. Okay. Next, Riccia, it is a liverwort in which simplest sporophyte consists of capsules only with polytrechum. Okay. In moss, polytrechum is moss in which sporophyte consists of footseta and capsules. Then the next D, that is volvox. So it is oogamy is present. And for the slime molds, spores bear cell walls. So the correct statement among this is only one, that is this ginkgo male gametophyte is not independent. So correct answer is option D, that is only one. Looking towards the next question, protonema is a. So the predominant stage of the life cycle of a moss, that's a bryophyte, is the gametophyte, which consists of 2 stages. The first stages is the protonema, which develops directly from a spore. It is a creeping green, branched and frequently filamentous stage. The second stage is the leafy stage, which develops from the secondary protonema as a lateral bud. It consists of upright, slender axis bearing spirally arranged leaves attached to the soil through multicellular and branched rhizoids. This stage bears the 6 organs. So the correct answer is haploid and is found in mosses. That's a bryophyte. So correct answer is option A, that is haploid, and is found in mosses. Option A. Looking towards the last question, the given figure is showing life cycle of a plant. If this belongs to life cycle of bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperm, what will be respectively A and B in the life cycle? So the A and B part for bryophytes, it will be capsule and gametophores, that is protonema. Then for pteridophytes, it will be sporangia or cones and sporophyll. Then the last for gymnosperm, it will be fertile fronds, megasporangia and microsporangia. So let's look for this in options. That is for bryophytes, it is capsule. So capsule is given in bryophytes for option D and C, but we say that A is respectively a capsule and B is protonema. So from this we see that C is correct one. Then sporangia, cones and sporophyll for pteridophytes. Fertile fronds, megasporangia and microsporangia for gymnosperms. So the correct answer is option C.